Hello, I'm Mensa Augustine. In today's lesson, I'm going to look at how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. So let's take this example. If I have 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 equals 0. Now, how do we do with this? Here, we have minus 15 here, so we add plus 15 and add here plus 15. This will give us 3x squared plus 4x equals positive 15. Now, the coefficient of x squared should be positive 1. That is positive unity. So we divide here by 3, here by 3, and here by 3. This gives x squared plus 4 on 3, x equals 5. Now we take the coefficient of x, that is 4 on 3, and multiply it by half. So here 2 will go here, 2. So we have 2 on 3. We square this one and add it to both sides. So we are going to have x squared plus 4 on 3, x plus 2 on 3 squared equals 5 plus 2 on 3 squared. Now, this is going to give us, we take the ones under the square. So we have x plus 2 on 3 squared equals 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 9. So we are going to have 5 plus 4 on 9. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 4 is 49. So you have 49 divided by 9. Wow. So this will give us x plus 2 on 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 49 divided by 9. Wow. So we are going to have x equals negative 2 on 3 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have x equals negative 2 plus 7 on 3 or negative 2 minus 7 on 3. Now, this gives us negative 2 plus 7 gives positive 5 on 3. Or minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 divided by 3 gives minus 3. That is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.